Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Discord won't open, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for Discord in the Windows search bar and try clicking on Run as Administrator to open it. It may help in a few cases because it starts downloading updates. Now, here's one more thing. In this case, the internet should be working well. So, go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. Now, once this is sorted, the next thing that you should do is right click on this and then kill the process, and then search for Discord once again and click on uninstall. Okay, we'll click on these three dots and we will uninstall it. Okay, when once it is uninstalled, you can search for Discord in the search bar and hit enter, and then click on Discord, and then you can install it again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.